At the end of this video, you will know exactly how to enjoy your akara, your kose, without fear, using 4 simple and clever strategies that will keep your blood sugar in the safe zone. But first, let's understand why diabetics need to be careful with akara. Although akara is made from beans, which is a good source of fiber and protein, the way it is prepared by deep frying it in oil can be a lot of problem. That oil, combined with the way the beans is processed, can make your blood sugar rise quickly. And we want to avoid those big spikes that can be dangerous for our bodies. So, how do we get around this? Let me show you the 4 simple ways you can enjoy akara and still be able to beat diabetes. Tip number 1 deals with your method of preparation. How you prepare your akara. So you have to learn how to prepare your akara in a healthier way. And the major problem with akara is that it is deep fried in a lot of oil. But I want to tell you today that you can still enjoy akara without deep frying it. You can make your akara in the form of pancakes, like doing it in a frying pan, like when you want to make pancakes. I think they have a new name for it that they call it pankara. Yes, akara made in a pan, like the form of a pancake. You can also decide to bake it in an oven or cook it in an air fryer. Although the taste and texture might be slightly different, but it's still delicious without all that, lots of oil, and you get to prevent a spike in your blood sugar. Tip number 2, if you don't want to make use of the healthy method which I just mentioned, and you still want to, do your akara, fry it the traditional way. So the tip here is for you never to eat it alone. Some of us, when we fry akara, we just start, eating it like that. We turn it to snacks. Never eat your akara alone if you want to prevent a spike in your blood sugar levels. So you have to pair your akara with other foods that can help slow down sugar absorption. So instead of you going for akara and pap, akara and custard, akara and bread, because I know some of you diabetes, you see eat all these foods. Don't let us deceive ourselves. Some of you see eat it, you hide and eat it. You take akara and pap, you even take custard with akara, you use bread, agege bread, soft bread to eat your akara. So instead of that, go for akara and vegetables. Slice your cabbage, your lettuce, your carrots, your cucumbers, steam them on low heat and serve it beside your akara. Use it to eat your akara. That's another way to prevent a spike when you eat akara. Don't eat it alone, pair it with vegetables. The third tip deals with the size and portion of your akara. So you need to control your portion. If you are diabetic and you still want to eat akara, do not eat more than 3 to 4 small sizes. Emphasis on small sizes. Don't go for big chunks of akara, then you say you are eating just 3 slices. And you tell me you are eating just 3 pieces. That 3 pieces, when we convert it to the normal size you are supposed to be eating, it's already up to 10 pieces of akara. No, do not go for more than 3 to 4 very small pieces, very small sizes at a meal. So you still get to enjoy the taste and satisfy your cravings and your taste buds without loading up your system with too many carbs and oil at once. The last tip I will be sharing, which is tip number 4, is or deals with timing. What time of the day are you eating your akara? So ensure you eat akara during the earlier part of the day when your body is still active and you still have the whole day ahead of you to use that energy instead of eating it late at night or as dinner or before you go to bed. So this gives your body enough time to process the akara properly, which helps prevent a large spike in your blood sugar. So there you have it, my people. 4 smart ways to eat your akara without spiking your blood sugar. If you found this video helpful, kindly give it a huge thumbs up, share it, and if you have not, kindly subscribe and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on insightful videos like this from this channel. And if you are diabetic, you are pre-diabetic or insulin resistant, and you know you need help, you can't do it on your own, feel free to go through my YouTube bio. There are some links included there that can be of help to you. So choose anyone that is convenient for you and start your journey to putting type 2 diabetes, pre-diabetes, and insulin resistance in remission for good. Thank you once again for hanging out with me today, and I will see you in my next